I'm a facade engineer, trained as an architect. As the global leader of the building envelope design team, safety for facades is a big issue, but I also want to lead the firm into a future where we are looking at the performance of the envelopes. The Jewish Museum had an extension by Daniel Liebeskind. They wanted to add a glass-covered courtyard designed as a sukkah, a hut during the sugar feast where they put usually cloth over trees for celebrations. The idea was that we would not have a static glass wall, but something that would actually resemble the sort of lightness of the cloth over trees, the ephemeral sort of quality of it. After long negotiations and a lot of detailed engineering, we were able to get permission, so it's the first structure built without mechanical fixing over 8 meters height. When I first started doing facade engineering, it was all about the engineering. It was all about making things stand up, making the construction right. But as it evolved, the performance of the envelope has become a lot more important. We don't have endless resources. There is enough sustainable and renewable energy available. We just need to make sure that we understand how to make use of it. There is nothing more sustainable than reusing an existing structure. The Air Traffic Control Center in Langen near the Frankfurt Airport is an example where we have convinced the client that refitting is the better solution. This building is used for checking and testing air traffic control systems. And the air traffic controllers sitting there, they all have 2-3 computers around them that emitted a lot of heat. Besides other measures, we decided that we should bring in a night cooling system, washing the spaces with cooler night air, saving the cooler temperatures for the heat to be absorbed during the day. By 2050, there will be 75% of the world's population living in cities. The envelope of our buildings, the roofs and the facades, will be areas where we can offer huge surfaces to actually help to regenerate the urban environment. The green algae facade is a technical solution, a good way of storing sun energy in a way that you can actually harvest the energy and use it whenever you want it. We've produced the first test structure. Together with partners, we have been able to develop a product which can be used on different types of buildings. We can also look at green facades where we have natural plants actually covering parts of the building. They've got the potential to reduce noise levels, to filter the fine dust in the street canyon, reduce the air temperatures within a city canyon, and that means that natural ventilation will become possible for longer periods of the year. If we were to say that every 5th building would have green facades and maybe a quarter of every envelope would be covered in plants, we could give back about 1/3 of the dense inner city urban areas. As a fellow, I certainly have the great opportunity to help all our building envelope designers around the globe to improve the world. It's a great thing that we can actually deliver better buildings, more comfort for the occupants, and actually help to use up less energy.